Welcome. In this tutorial, I will be taking you through how to download and use the new JSU PowerPoint template. You can use this new template for classroom presentations or for internal and external audiences. To access JSU's PowerPoint template, open your browser and in the search bar, type jsu.edu/marketing communications. Once you land on the Marketing and Communications Who We Are page, click on Downloads, located on the left-hand side at the bottom of the Marketing and Communications tab. In the Downloads tab, you will click on the PowerPoint template link and allow the template to download. You will then need to open the template from your downloads on your device. You have now successfully downloaded JSU's new PowerPoint template. One of the first things you will notice is that the brand elements on each slide cannot be moved. This is to maintain cohesiveness while also respecting the JSU brand. Just like any other PowerPoint, you have a title slide, title and content slide, section header slide, to content slide, comparison slide, and outro slide. You will notice that the outro slide makes it easy to add your contact information for your audience to see at the end of your presentation. All these slides can be found on the Home tab by clicking on the drop-down arrow above New Slide. There are different options of slides to choose from, such as a red background with a white frame or a white background with a red frame. All slides contain the standard JSU logo on the bottom right. However, there is a slide that contains JSU's end stop logo, as well as JSU's academic logo. Once again, these can be found on the New Slide drop-down arrow under JSU Default Template. Under JSU White Theme, you can find all the slides that were previously mentioned, but they are formatted all white with the red JSU logo on the bottom right. As you can see, none of these slides are bordered with the red frame, unlike the slides located under the default template. A unique feature of the new JSU PowerPoint template is the college intro slides. These slides are specific to the college that you are a part of. For example, if you are a communication major or work in the communications department, you would select the College of Business and Industry slide since the communications department falls under this specific college. The college intro slides are a great way to represent your college when presenting academic, research, or school projects internally or externally. We hope you have enjoyed this tutorial on how to download and effectively use JSU's new PowerPoint template. We can't wait to see what you create.